To connect Fidelity to a trading platform, it's essential to note that Fidelity does not currently support direct integration, meaning it's impossible to link a Fidelity account for trading purposes. However, Fidelity offers its own advanced trading platform, Active Trader Pro, which provides robust features, including real-time analytics and a customizable trading experience. To access Active Trader Pro, simply search for it online. Click on the first website and download the platform by selecting the appropriate system. Once downloaded, install the software, which is similar to other trading platforms and allows for chart analysis and asset examination. If integration with a particular trading platform is crucial for a trading strategy, consider brokers that support such integration, such as Interactive Brokers, E-Trade, or Charles Schwab. This alternative platform can still provide a comprehensive trading experience.